Today, you guys are in for a treat and I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you a £3.5 million grade 2 listed house, and it doesn't get any more difficult than this when it comes to design and build. Let's take a look. Before we go inside, I just want to give you a quick rundown on how this property is configured. On the ground and lower ground floor, we have a 3-bedroom garden flat. On the first floor, we have a 1-bedroom flat. And on the top 2 floors, we have a 2-bedroom masonette. Welcome to my project. So this is the entrance to the 3-bedroom garden flat. So now we're inside, and what we have is we have 2 amazing spaces. I absolutely love the space that we've got here, which can be a bedroom or it can be a second reception room. This particular space has got some really cool features. So what we have here is we've got some nice original coving, which you can see. We've got these picture rails that you can see. We're going to have some really nice carpentry, and the fireplace is going to be here. And once it's painted and everything's done with the wood floors in, it's going to look a little bit something like this. This space is new value add, and what we're going to be creating here is an open plan kitchen and lounge, which actually leads on to the right hand side. And this is going to be our dining area. I absolutely love this curved wall, and some of the design features that we've got planned for this space are going to be absolutely amazing, and this is going to be a super duper bespoke apartment. Now, what's really important to note is that this space that we are standing on now used to be airspace. There was no floor here, there were no walls here, and this is value add, and this is how we create money. We never rely on the market, and in terms of the process, it's not easy. We had to apply with the local authority for planning approval to extend the house and create net internal space. The new floors are going to go down. Downstairs we've got another bedroom as well, 2 bedrooms, a garden. We're going to have an outhouse. Before we go downstairs, it's really important for you to have end user considerations in mind. So for the family, when they're upstairs, they need a bathroom. So what we've created here, which was that beautiful curved wall, is a really nice bathroom here. We're going to have a basin over there, a toilet over here, and the tile selection here it's absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. It's going to look something like this. Let's go downstairs, come on. Lower ground floor, 3 spaces. Let's go into space 1. Zone 1, large family bathroom, which is going to be super cool in terms of the design. Zone 2, master bedroom with an ensuite. Now, as soon as we enter, you're going to be entering a walk-in wardrobe, and behind me right here, there's going to be a piece of glass, and that will be your ensuite shower room. And then this wall is actually going to be cut out, and we're going to be heading into the bedroom. Behind me, we have the master bedroom, which is going to have some beautiful bifold doors that look onto the garden and the external office. Bedroom 2, also a double bedroom, and what we're going to have here is some really clever ideas and some bespoke carpentry with an excellent choice of paint colors. Behind me, we've got the garden. As part of the design and build here, we had to excavate from the area above all the way down, and as part of the grade 2 listing requirements, it had to be done by hand. So these are one of the hurdles, but where there is an opportunity that other people may see as not viable, we've got the resources around us to quickly act on acquisitions like this, and this is where the money is. So as they say, who dares wins. Let's go upstairs. First floor, 1-bedroom flat. Keeping it simple for you guys, on the left-hand side, open plan kitchen and lounge. On the right-hand side, a bedroom, which then leads on to a walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom. Let's take a look at the lounge. Really love this space, and what we have in here is an open plan kitchen and lounge. We've got 2 huge windows which are going to bring in some natural sunlight, and as part of the design and build, we've got a really nice bespoke kitchen. On the other side, right here, we're going to have a very nice fireplace which will bring in some of the character that this location deserves, and above me we've got this really nice ceiling rose. As we exit, we've got the hallway here. Now just use a little bit of imagination, guys. We're going to have a huge piece of glass here which is going to have a critter reflex like this. and as soon as you enter, you're going to be in your boudoir bedroom, which is going to be painted in some really cool colors, which I'm going to show you upstairs. Behind me, we're also going to follow through with the crystal glass look. This is going to be a study which then leads on to a sunken walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom. So here I am in my man cave with my walk-in wardrobe, which then leads on to this bathroom, which is going to have a power shower and some really cool tiles. Let me show you. Floors, wall. I can't give too much away, but I'll show you something upstairs. So we're going to go upstairs, which is a little bit more advanced than the floors below. And what's really important to know is the organization that it takes to complete a project like this in the timeline that you set yourselves. So what we're doing is we're working from the top and the bottom. We're squeezing the work so we finish upstairs faster, and then the balance of the works is going to be below. That way we can sell the top floor flat and this flat, have money in the bank, and then our profit is going to be in the basement and the lower ground floor. We've even got a roof terrace. This roof terrace could have been allocated to one of the units, but in order for us to maximize our returns, we combined it as a usable space for both the one bedroom and the Masonette. That way we increase our profits. Welcome to flat 3. Now, as we come into this apartment, it's a Masonette, so that means it's on 2 levels. Behind me, we have a mirror image, open plan, kitchen and lounge. On the right of me, we've got a bathroom, which is absolutely stunning. You're going to love it. And then we have a further study stroke bedroom. Let's take a look. So this gives you an idea of how the upper parts are moving faster than below. And you can see that the walls have been painted. And look at the detail on this door. As part of the grade 2 listing, all of these details were a requirement. And the paint color on this, just have a look at this. We have very special green on the inside and the walls. Unfortunately, I can't give that secret away. But what I can tell you is that the insides are white, designed down to a T. Let's move into the bathroom. Shower room number 1, and what I absolutely love, and as part of our design consideration, was we wanted to give the buyers a feeling of space. So we have a 10 feet high ceiling height. We've gone for a very bespoke finish in terms of the tiles. We've got this really nice pebble effect tiles on the walls and the floors. This area that I'm going to be in is going to be a nice piece of glass, and I'm going to have a shower, and it's just going to be absolutely stunning once we finish. Let's take a look next door. So this space was previously a kitchen, but what we cleverly did was move the kitchen into an open plan kitchen and lounge, and then this space becomes a separate study room. And then we've got 2 bedrooms upstairs. So as we walk upstairs, we've got this really nice window feature above me, which has got some fantastic views of London. And we also have this really nice skylight feature above. How's this for a view? This is what you call a bespoke and boutique home. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the carpentry in here is to die for. Double bedroom number 1, large windows, great views, and this is one of the wardrobes. A bespoke design, a bespoke finish, and high quality. That's key. Family bathroom behind me, bedroom 2. Once again, a bespoke wardrobe, lovely soft closing drawers, and behind you, I can just imagine being in bed here on a cold winter's night with my reading lamps on, a nice cup of cocoa, and in the morning I've got Regent's Park right opposite. 2 bedrooms and a family bathroom, and what we've created here is a really, really nice bespoke finish. Look at these tiles. The detail on this and the texture and the feel, it's all about layers and lines. That's one of my secrets. And that comes with 25 years experience. Very, very important piece of knowledge for you guys. Always focus on quality. In this bathroom, there was a lot of considerations, and what we've decided to opt for is a wall-hung toilet, a really nice wall-mounted basin. We've got a full-length bath with a nice recess and LED lighting as well. Absolutely stunning. So before I end, there's a few things that I need to touch on in terms of the extra design, build, and the choice of materials that we had to use. When creating flats, and especially with a grade 2 listed building, we have to go for a specific plasterboard behind here, which is the color blue and pink. This floor has to be soundproofed so it doesn't interfere with the apartment below. as part of the grade 2 requirements, it's extra soundproofing and an increased time frame for the fireproofing, which is 1 hour as opposed to your usual 30 minutes. Fire check doors, new electrics, new plumbing, and copper pipes was also another requirement, and you must know what you're doing. So hopefully that gives you an idea of the scale of this project, and what's really important to know is that we acquired this house for £1.8 million cash, and the resale on all of the units here is going to be around 3.5 million, which is the target, and that's called GDV, and the GDV stands for the gross development value. That means the value of flat A, flat B and flat C. All three combined give you a figure of 3.5 million as a gross amount, and that's gross development value. Very important point. What's really important for me is when opportunity knocks, you've got to be able to take a risk and grab it. Otherwise, real deals get snapped up too fast. For those of you that are new to the channel, I highly recommend that you watch some of the previous videos and get up to speed. And for those of you that are already subscribed, I'm so glad to be part of your property journey, and we're going to learn so much along the way. With that said, I look forward to the next episode. Agent M, out.